Experiencing computer issues in Estero, Florida? Whether at home or the office, getting your computer fixed quickly and conveniently is essential. Let's explore how Fix My Computer Estero can help. From slow systems to software crashes, Fix My Computer Estero is your local solution for all computer issues. We handle virus removal, software troubleshooting, hardware repairs, and data recovery. Our reliable on-site computer repair services ensure your tech problems are resolved efficiently. Wondering about the cost? We keep our prices competitive. Each repair varies, but we provide an upfront estimate so you know what to expect. No surprises, just straightforward pricing for all your computer repair needs. Ready to get started? Contact us at 239-382-7247 or visit fixmycomputeresterofel.com to book your repair today. Our fast, friendly, and affordable services are just a call or click away. We make repairs simple by coming directly to your home or office. Don't let a slow computer hold you back. Call us today for a quick fix. In many cases, we offer same-day service, ensuring professional repairs at your convenience.